Question 2. Express each of the following vertex form into general form and intercept form. Okay. So general form will be ax square plus bx plus c, and intercept form will be a x minus b x minus q. Basically you have to factorize it lah. And this is vertex form. The vertex form is what they have given us in. When we complete the square, we will get the equation in this form lah. It's called vertex form. Okay, right. So let's look at A. So to get into general form, very easy. You just have to expand all this. Okay. So x minus, let's start with the subject. X minus 2 square minus 1. So if we expand this, we are going to get x square, then 2 times x is 2x, times negative 2 is negative 4x. Then negative 2 square will get plus 4 minus 1. X square minus 4x plus 3. So this will be in general form. Okay. Next, let's look at intercept form. So intercept form is when you factorize this one. So first you must make sure you cannot divide the equation by anything. So in this case it's 1, negative 4 and 3. So we cannot divide the whole thing by anything now. So we can straight away put into our calculator. A is 1, B is negative 4, C is 3. So x is 1, therefore x minus 1 and x minus 3. That's it. This is intercept form. Done. Okay, let's look at B. Same thing, we expand this. So 9 minus 2x minus 1 square. So expanding this will give us 2x square, which is 4x square. 2 times 2x, 4x, times negative 1, negative 4x. Negative 1 squared is positive 1. So 9 minus 4x square plus 4x minus 1. Okay, I just multiply the negative inside. Okay, then I rearrange this. So negative 4x square plus 4x, then 9 minus 1 will be 8. So from here, we can factorize something from all these terms. So let's take out negative 4. We want to make a we want to make a 1 lah. Okay, we don't want negative 4 here. So if we factorize negative 4, we get x square minus 1x minus 2. Okay, because when we multiply it inside, negative 4 times negative x will give us positive 4x. Negative 4 times negative 2 will give us positive 8. Okay, so basically each term we are dividing by negative 4, negative 4, negative 4 lah. Okay, to get this. So this is our general. Actually, our general form is until here only. This one already general form. Okay, this part onwards is actually us finding the intercept form. Okay, so intercept form, alamak. So intercept form, different shades of blue. It's okay lah. So intercept form is factorizing this part. So A is 1, B is negative 1, C is negative 2. Negative 8, negative 4, x. So our roots are -1, so x plus 1 and x minus 2. This will be our intercept form. This will be our general form. Actually, these two are supposed to be the same shade of blue, but I couldn't get the same shade. Yeah, but anyway, this is the answer lah. Okay, let's look at C. Fx is 2x plus 1 square minus 18. So we expand the bracket, we get x square 2 times x times 1, so we get plus 2x, and then 1 square, so we get plus 1 minus 18. We expand this, we get 2x square plus 4x plus 2 minus 18. 2 minus 18 would be negative 16. This is our general form. Okay, now we are not messing up the colors. So now this whole equation can be divided by 2. So we factor the 2 out. So we'll be left with x square. 4x divided by 2 will be 2x. Negative 16 divided by 2 will be negative 8. Then we factorize this. A is 1, B is 2, C is negative 8. So x is negative 4, therefore x plus 4 and x minus 2. This will be our intercept form. That's it.